What's up, guys? You're welcome back to my channel. First, I'd like to say a big thank you to everyone that has subscribed to my channel. And if you're not subscribed, please support me by clicking the subscribe button. Thank you. In this video, I'll show you how to make this simple blouse with draped neckline. So let's get started. To make this blouse, you fold your fabric into 4 places. So you have 4 layers. And then the next thing is to measure, so I have the wrong side facing me, is to measure 4 inches for the tuck, to tuck in. So you measure 4 inches, and then I'm going to use this line as my base. And then next I'll take the length of my blouse. So I've taken 28 inches for the blouse, and then I added 2 inches. So I have 30 inches for the length of the blouse. And then I'll go over to the base. I'll take my shoulder measurement. So you divide your shoulder measurement by 2. Mine is 15, so I have 7.5. And then I have 6 inches extra for the extended sleeves. And then for the armhole, I'll take 9 inches. And then add 1 inch for seam allowance, so I have 10 inches. So on this line, I'll take the bust measurement. Divide your bust measurement by 4. I have 9.5, or 9 I mean. 9, and then I add 1 inch for seam allowance. And then for the hip, I'll just go over with 23 or 24 inches. And then my hip measurement is 42. You divide that by 4. You have, so I have 10.5 for the hip, and then I'll add 1 inch for seam allowance. And then I'll come down to the armhole. I'll take 1 inch for the armhole curve. And then I'll draw the line down to the hip line. And then on this line, I'll just come down by 1/2 inch, and then make a slant line down. But I won't be cutting it because I'm going to cut in the tuck along the side. So I'll go ahead and cut. Just go ahead and cut. And then I'll notch this part. Go ahead and cut. So for the neckline, I used 6 inches. So it depends on how wide your shoulder is. You can use 6 inches or 7 inches. And then I marked it here. And then I marked it on each side of the fabric. I marked 6 inches. And then you go ahead and you sew the neckline. Like this, down, and then like this, down, with the right sides facing each other. I'm going to fold it and add it to the extended sleeve, and just sew it around to make the sleeve longer. So after joining the band to the sleeve, you go ahead and join the sides of the blouse. You sew it from the sleeve part to the end of the blouse. So I've done it for the other side, and this is what I have. Lastly, for this blouse, you go ahead and hem the bottom, and then I just went ahead to stitch this red ribbon to give you the pop of red, and that's it. So here's the blouse. You can go ahead and stitch the neckline with your needle and thread. Please give this video a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button. I love you for watching. Thank you.